Hello, how are you? Welcome to our channel. I am your trainer, Parveen. If you are an English speaker and want to learn Hindi, then this channel is for you. In this channel we will teach you Hindi. In this video we will learn about some rules for using vowels. Firstly, we will discuss use of vowels in two categories. Number 1. Vowels as connectors. Number 2. Vowels as first alphabet in word. We need to understand this graphics very clearly. In the connector form, A is written like a perpendicular line. E is written like a perpendicular line with left to right semicircle on this. E is written like a perpendicular line with right to left semicircle on this. U is written like a small circle shape and tails towards left. U is written like a small circle shape and tails towards right. A is written as a small plait towards left. A is written like two small plaits towards left. O is written like a perpendicular line with a small plait towards left. O is written like a perpendicular line with two small plaits towards left. Rule will be inverse if word starts with vowel alphabet. If the word starts by vowel, we need to write vowel original form. In given example, Anil, this word starts from vowel A, so original form will be used here. In the next lecture we will discuss more interesting things of Hindi language. Please like, share and subscribe this video.